Now tell me, could you take me telling you the truth when you know the situation is shadiest? But my girl, would you believe when I say I knew that you'd be tripping? So I slept out in my ride in the driveway. So before we get into some things we shouldn't do, I'ma need your undivided attention. Cause it's fantasy and reality. Baby, which one are we living in? Oh, when it hurts, will we still be here? Same two lovers all over each other. Oh, hurts, will we still see what we got together? Promise will never be temporary, not another ordinary. We should change people's definition of love. So forget what you've heard. Only way that this would work is if you love me when it hurts, girl.